Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan Anjilaga main headlines. District Child Protection Unit Dimapur pra media aru public ke POCSO Act thik pra chalaikna jabole urge korise. Manipur Thobal District anti-drug operation law time police commando ekjun ke morai dishi koikna officials pra jana dishi. DUCCF, DCCI aru GBUDs pra Dimapur Naga Students Union logote non-cooperation announce korise. US pra mediate kwa talks pichte Israel and Lebanon nutun ceasefire nimite manishi. District Child Protection Unit DCPU Dimapur pra media aru public ke protection of children from sexual offences POCSO Act under cases report kwa time ekdam saikna kurble appeal kurishi. Statement DCPU Dimapur Avika Zimomi Janashiki Juvenile Justice Act 2015 pra bacha care aru protection lagi thaka nahoile minor kun kiba ekta hwa nimite legal system thakile Takanaga identity disclose manuki janibole prohibit kure koise kote POCSO Act 2012 pra khobor juntute bacha laga identity directly nahoile indirectly janade itu publish kurble prohibit mana kure koikna janadishi. DCPU arobi janashi ki bacha laga protection laga connection te sub actions juntu Juvenile Justice Act laga subsection 3013 under Child Welfare Committee pra abuse wa bacha laga care protection and rehabilitation nimite loy itu khanto sob bachalaga bhal nimite strictly JJ Act 2015 aru POCSO Act 2012 to chulaikina loy koikina janadishi. Dimapur teta choli thaka POCSO case refer korikina DCPU janashi ki bacha ke child helpline pra khobor pate May 23rd tarik din rescue kurishi koichi juntu pichte dusra procedures khan loishi koikina janadishi. Bacha laga parents ke bhi khobor dikna counseling aru psycho social support dikna DCPU CWC aru child helpline milikna ki kurble lage kurishi koishi. DCPU janashi ki bacha laga bhal nimite decisions kan sob to Juvenile Justice Act under loikna jaise koikna janadishi. Investigations are legal process kan sob concerned authorities pra law hisabte loikna jaise koishi. Kunba media reports pra parents ke bacha law kurble mana kurishi kwato clarify korikna DCPU state kurishi ki parents pra visit kurate ku restrictions nai koishi kote restrictions to bacha laga bhal aru take trauma nadibo nimite third parties ke allow na kure koikna janadishi. Unit janashi ki bacha ita nimite counseling morom or protection bishi lage koishi. Unit pra stakeholders sob ke legal process logote cooperate korikna kotha action nohole statements junchu pra bacha nimite diktar nohole sorom anibo itu khan na chulabole urge koishi. Eneka kurilehi bacha laga dignity well-being or future bachabole paribo koikna janadishi. DCPU pra process or sob legal procedures kan chulaikna jabole opor arubi ekbar takhan laga commitment janadishi. Manipur Thobal District ja kali rati anti-drug operation law time police commando ekjun ke knife pra step korikna morai dishi koikna officials pra aji janadishi. Disease ke Thobal commando unit laga head constable Khoiram Suresh koikna identify korishi kun Moijing Mina Bazar Thongkong under Thobal Police Station limits te suspected drug related kam khan against operation loy thaka police team te thakishi koikna janadishi. Police hisab te incident to jakali rati 8 baji phale security personnel khan drug case laga connection te suspect alleged ke duribule kura time hoishi koishi operation time Suresh ke reportedly knife pra attack korishi koishi kote bishi biya pra jokhom hoishi koikna janadishi. Take joldi Thobal district hospital te loi jaishi hoilebi unfortunately tai jokhom te sakam hoishi koikna state korishi. Police kan duita suspect MD Naubi alias Mahil 25 years old or Salman Khan 30 years ke arrest korishi koishi. Authorities kan further investigations loikina dusra individual involved thaka khan ke identify korikna duribule korikna jaisi. Dimapur Urban Council Chairman Federation DUCCF Dimapur Chamber of Commerce and Industry DCCI Arganbura Union Dimapur Sadar Pra Dimapur Naga Students Union DNSU logote non-cooperation initiate kurishi koikna janadishi. Joint press statement President DUCCF Zazaviko Zakisato DCCI Akashi Zimomi or GBUDs Khole Kapfo pra issue kurate organizations janashi ki decision ituto DNSU pra May 14 tarik din Hotel Saramati Dimapur te joint general meeting loa time 6-point resolution adopt kurato pura puri reject kura nimite ase koishi. Meeting te resolutions adopt kura opor takhan laga stand to arubi ekbar janadikna organization state kurishi ki non-cooperation ituto DNSU pra 6-point resolution to hisab korikina concerned bodies laga ekta decisions or interest te ek nakuratak hubo koikna janadishi. Tinta organizations prabi DC Dimapur ke DNSU pra matter agete uthanishna Girdhari Lal ke taikinika kurikina alleged fraud non-Naga indigenous inhabitant certificate to paishe ito opor sawal kurubo karne samon kurble appeal kurishi. International news se Israel and Lebanon United States pra lead kura talks pichte jamala na kurble manishi kaikina Trump laga administration pra junadishi. Ito pra ita US, Israel aru Iran majute war choli thakate peaceful resolution pabo nimite bhal icha bonai dikina ase. Iran janaishi ki judi United States Lebanon logote jamala kurato rokhishi kole takan peace agreement consider kuribo koishe. Iran bi judi Israel Lebanon ke attack kurato narukhile takan directly armed group Hezbollah ke support kuribo koikna warn kurishi. Lebanese President Joseph Onprabi aji announced kurishi ki party involved thaka sopra approve kurile ceasefire to 24 hours bitor effect ahibo koishe. Holibi itiatak ceasefire to hosate bi strong hobuna nai ituto najini kinase kle mane Israeli Defense Minister Israel Katz pra janaishi ki Israel military to itianimite southern Lebanon te military operation to continue kuribo aru takal naga troops bi withdraw na kuribo koikna state kurishi.